Hey, what's up guys, Swany Games here. Just thought I'd do a quick update video because I barely post on YouTube, which I really want to change that. But I just realized I'm not recording with this microphone and that I'm recording with the webcam mic, but who cares? Anyways, I just wanted to say that my computer build is coming to an end, which is really exciting. So like a lot of new stuff will come from that. I'm still waiting. I just deposited a check to my bank account. I'm still waiting for it to go through. And then I'll buy the last few parts for my computer. But until then, I'm just going to give you a little snippet of what I've been documenting for my computer build. So, without further ado. There we are. And the collecting, oh, okay. It's very dry in Minnesota during the winter, so I just shocked myself. Board, which I will be cutting in. Okay, I just cut myself. Maybe you shouldn't cut towards yourself, kids. In that case you saw in that video, guess what? So it does not fit this heatsink cooler. So I'm getting a new case. So enjoy me shocking myself. On a case I'm not even using. I also modded it, painted some of it, not all of it. And I am glad I'm getting a new case because I did a really shitty job, so. The end!